What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a extended cab all the way from Lubbock, Texas. He's in for a panoramic sunroof, Mini Cooper double tilt. This thing's gonna look badass. I've only seen one done, a Mini Cooper on an extended cab. It's gonna be a tight fit, but I've seen one done, so I know it's gonna be possible to do. This is gonna be my first panoramic Mini Cooper on an extended cab, just because the size of the roof, it's gonna be tough to install, but we're gonna go ahead and get her done. We're gonna start off by removing everything on the inside. We're gonna remove the tight window. Previous shop did a tight window on him, installed. The seal is coming off, it's about to come off. We're gonna take that whole thing out. We're gonna do it right here at Rob's Customs. Do a few little things else to the truck. Customer just dropped it off now, so we're gonna get it taken care of. So let's check out the truck. Another one, guys. Lubbock, Texas, extended cab. Tight window. We're gonna go ahead and remove it, redo it, reseal it. I don't know what's going on with this seal, but it's picking up. I'm gonna wipe down the roof. We're gonna get them done just how I do my tight windows, get them nice and sealed up, and then we'll go ahead and fix this gasket. And I don't know what happened to this gasket. Might have, I don't know if it's gonna leak, but there's a bunch of holes in there. We're gonna take it out, redo it the right way. We'll start off by doing the roof. Here's a Mini Cooper double tilt. Brought the skin and all, so we're just gonna be doing the labor work on it, primer roof, and then we're gonna be installing some red suede to the top. All right, guys, we got this truck for a couple days. We're gonna jump on it, see how much I can get done a day. Check it out. Brackets in, welded. Double tilt Mini Cooper. All right, guys, we're almost done with the Silverado. We got the tight window installed, powered up. We redid the tight window. Looks good. Panoramics in, and the headliner's in. Check it out, badass. We are having a little bit of issues though. This is the double tilt, and we're having issues of it fully opening up. We had it opened up, obviously when we took it down it was opening up, but now that we installed it, it opens up to vent, but it doesn't want to kick over for this first glass to slide back, and then this one will come down. So we're doing some troubleshooting here with some thicker wire and more power, but right now we are working on the rear brakes of this truck. Customer drove it down 5 hours, and look at that. That's crazy. Worn out big time. Look at the rear pads, metal to metal. So we go ahead and we got a new drum, and we got some brakes. We're gonna go ahead and just replace this one. The other one, all the other rest are good except this one. So we're gonna replace this with the new drum, and then we'll put new brake pads on it, and then we should be good to go. That way he can travel back safe and don't have to have all this. He said it was grinding when you brake the whole way back here every time you brake. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of him, get this done, and then we'll go back to the troubleshooting of the. All right, guys, we got the new rotor in. They gave me the damn wrong pads. These ones are a little bigger, so we're gonna go exchange them out for the smaller ones, for the one piston. I think he gave me for the 2 piston deal, but yeah, we'll go return them, come back, put it on, get that other side, and then we'll go take it for a test drive. Alright guys, we got the rear brakes exchanged on the back. We put a new rotor on the driver's side rear. This one's still good, but we went ahead and put new brake pads in there. This thing should be ready to go. I'm gonna do a little test drive, making sure the brake pedal's good and I don't have to bleed anything, but this is looking good, brand new. Alright, then we're gonna get on to troubleshooting the sunroof. Alright guys, we're all done. Came out badass. We did have that little issue with the motor though. I think he's just gonna have to replace the motor to get it to pop up, but other than that, everything is good. Tire windows operating. We got the brakes repaired, headliner done, got it all cleaned up. Let's check it out.
Perfect.